What's going on, folks? Today we're doing a toolbox tour of my two boxes right here as a diesel mechanic, or diesel apprentice if you want to call it, and just show you what I got in my box. Let's get into it. We're gonna start off with this roll cart right here. I got most of my sockets that I use on the daily, 6-point, metric, and standard, and then I got my standard 6-point right here. And then I got my snap-on ones right there. I don't use these very much. Then I got my impacts, my swivels. These are all standard. I need to get more metrics, but these are all standards. I got my screwdrivers right there. My tool for the brakes for semis. I got a snap-on flex head right here. I don't use that too often. And I got a blue point. And I also got one of the snap-on long ones. And then I got a mirror right there and a air chuck. And right here in the first drawer, I got my pliers right there, some Milwaukee adapters, my Milwaukee drill bits, and then I got these bits that are in here, hex bits, all the goodies. And I got my torch right there, some bigger pliers, some shades, and this one I got my two snap-on adjustable wrenches. Got my Mac wrenches right here. Mac wrenches, I've had pretty good luck with them. I haven't had any break or round off anything. I mean, those are pretty good. And then I got my Matco ratchet right here, flexible locking flex head. And then here is most of my impacts and battery impacts. I got my Milwaukee one right here. I use this a lot, brushless. It's very good for getting in tight spaces. My snap-on, I got the little boot on there. This one I use a lot. And then I got this one, throwing my chucks, my drill bits also. Then I got my Matco 1/2-inch air impact. This is a good one too. And then I got my stubby impact. Use this one to get in tight spaces, great power. Then I got my Milwaukee impact. That one's a pretty good gun for battery powered. And then I got the 3/4-inch Matco impact. And then I got my 1/2-inch ratchet right there. My Milwaukee cutoff wheel. Use that a lot. Highly recommend it. Then I got my snap-on right angle ratchet. And then a Milwaukee right angle drill. And that's it for that drawer. And the bottom drawer, just got my snap-on pry bars, a couple hammers, filter pliers, a filter strap, some gloves. And that's pretty much it down there. I just got some junk diesel fuel to fill up the fuel filters, and that's pretty much it for the roll cart. This is gonna be on the 6S box in the Matco. The top drawer, I got a bunch of 1/2-inch sockets right here. These are standard, metric, standard, metric. And I got some Ingersoll swivels right here. Pipe dope. Then I got some Cornwell Allen wrenches, or Allen sockets. Then I got some Matco all right, here's my wrench drawer. I got a bunch of Sunex sockets. These are standard. Got some wobble head wrenches. These are Sunex stubby wrenches. And then here are my Sunex metric wrenches. Here I got my Matco flexible ratcheting wrenches, standard and metric. Here's a third drawer. This is gonna be where my screwdrivers go. I got my picks right here, my snap-on picks. I got some brushes from Matco. And then my snap-on adjustable wrenches. And I also got snap-on pliers. And then a bunch of random stuff here. These Matco carbide scrapers are very good, or very highly recommended. Then I got my snap-on pipe wrench. These teeth on here, they can grip anything. There's the number on that. And then I got some just regular scrapers. Fourth drawer, I just got some ratchets here. I got this Matco ratchet. I barely use that one. This one is my 1/2" torque wrench. I got a snap-on one, but this is backup. My snap-on hammer, dead blow. These Mac 3-pound hammers. And this is my wire drawer, electrical drawer, whatever you want to call it. I got my power probe right here. I got my snap-on test light, and then my power probe multimeter, a bunch of extra wire in case I need it. Some extra wire loom, extra butt connectors, anything I need. And the most famously known drawer, a junk drawer. Just got a bunch of junk here, another torque wrench that I don't use, some bolts if I need them, papers, washers, got everything. And the bottom drawer. I got my power probe kit here. I got some 9-piece snap ring pliers from Mac. And I got my Blue Point sockets here, which I just have a couple in there because I took them out. Then I got my torch, the box there, some brake clean, and all this is just random stuff. Another torque wrench. Another torque wrench right here from Snap-on. 1/2" torque wrench. It goes from 50 foot-pounds to 250 foot-pounds. And I use this, I'm basically torquing whatever down. Just about anything I need to torque down. Snap-on. Down here is my charger station. I got all my chargers here, my Snap-on charger, Milwaukee, my Streamlight charger. In the last drawer, just got my Milwaukee grease gun. I got another 3/8 Milwaukee Impact. I got this new welding helmet from Cornwell. Have not used it yet. And then it came with these masks right here. And then it came with the helmet and a bag. And then I also got my Matco air hammer. It's the newest one. Love it. It's got the grip right here. All right, well there you go. There's my boxes. You saw what was in them. Lots of money going into building semis, and you don't need all these tools. I mean, I started out with just regular Craftsman and all this. I worked up to Snap-on and all that, but you don't need those to be a mechanic. That saying, it's the end of the video. Catch you next time.